Hello, stop buying poultry drugs. How to use Jute Leaf Tea to grow poultry faster and cut farming costs. Do you want to maximize your profit and make good poultry results? This plant is good for you. You can see this is called jute plant. What we have here is the leaf. You can see it. I want you to identify this plant. You can see the video of this plant under this. You see the video. Identify this plant very well. Human beings also eat this plant. You can use it to cook soup. See it. So search for this weed. If you don't look for it, the weed will even look for you because it grows around your homes. Jute Leaf Tea. Welcome back to my Poultry Site TV. This is where we teach practical, natural, and effective ways to grow your poultry business while cutting unnecessary costs and at the same time helping you to maximize your profit. If you're a poultry farmer, this channel is for you. Relate this channel to your friends and your neighbors, even your enemies. Let them know about the channel so that you can be friends through this channel. In this video, you will learn how to stop wasting money on costly vet drugs. This particular video will teach you how you can still grow your poultry beds without any synthetic medication. It is a powerful organic plant. Jute Leaf Tea is a powerful organic solution that boosts birds' health, cures diseases, and accelerates growth naturally without any slight or synthetic. Used for generation in African traditional medicine, jute leaf is now growing and being recognized globally in organic poultry farming for its outstanding medicinal and nutritional benefits in poultry and livestock. If you keep this grass, allow you to grow in your farm animals will not allow you to rest because they always appreciate eating this grass. Goat, sheep, cow, cattle, and rest of them, they like this grass very well. So in this video, I will show you how we make use of this grass also to grow our poultry beds organically. Let me start with the medicinal properties of jute leaf tea in poultry health. Jute leaf is a rich plant. It is very rich in phytochemicals, vitamins, and minerals, and at the same time antioxidants, which make it powerful herbal booster in poultry farming. One, it has anti-inflammatory properties. It reduces internal swelling and stress in birds. It has antioxidant properties which boost immunity by fighting free radicals. Antimicrobial and antibacterial properties which fight off bacteria, fungi, and some parasites in poultry and livestock. Anti-diarrhea, which helps firm up droppings and prevent watery stools. Watery stools, most of the times you know that it causes watery floor, which give rise to the growth of Corchorus. It has liver detoxifier. It helps in flushing out toxins, especially after medications. Rich in iron, calcium, and vitamin A, which support blood health and bone growth. It's also an appetite stimulant, encourages feeding and weight gain in poultry and livestock animals, most usually fast-growing birds like broilers, foreign turkey, and the rest of them. It is an immune booster. It strengthens resistance to common poultry infections and at the same time give them strength to withstand any infection or any attack from any infection at all. What are the diseases this jute leaf tea can help you cure or prevent against? I will gladly advise you at this juncture to watch the video to the end, because at the end of this video I'm going to give you directives on how to make use of this particular plant. All these plants is not the same method you make use of them. You have different methods for this, and I'm going to give you the dosage also. When you use this jute leaf tea, it helps you to cure and manage some infections in poultry and livestock. Some of them are: one, Corchorus. It reduces blood loss and inflammations. Newcastle disease. It doesn't cure Newcastle, but it supports the withstanding of Newcastle. It boosts immunity and recovery. Worm infestations. It expels internal parasites from your poultry pests. Remember that a worm at times causes stunted growth in poultry and livestock animals. It reduces diarrhea and cures diarrhea and green droppings. Stop loose stool quickly. This plant you are seeing here. It looks simple, but it is a wonderful plant. Respiratory infections. It reduces inflammations and microbial load in poultry and livestock. Weak growth and poor weight gain. It stimulates appetite and nutrient absorption and feed conversion in poultry and livestock. Stress-induced illness. Balances internal health of your poultry. Post-antibiotic weakness. If you have given antibiotics for now and you want to stop and change to organic, this particular plant is good for you because it detoxifies and restores body functions of your poultry and livestock animals. It helps to give strength to the internal organs and make your poultry birds healthy. What is the dosage and how to administer it? 1. Fresh jute leaf like this, as you see this now. A handful of it. You can get more, like this up to 5 times. Handful of it. What you do is wash it thoroughly with clean water. After washing it, put it inside a very neat pot. Boil it up to 20 to 30 minutes. Allow it to cool. After cooling, then dilute the water. I don't know the kind of pot you want to use. If you're using a bigger pot, please use up to 5 liters of water, because after boiling, it will not remain 5 liters, it's going to drop. So sieve this leaf out. The color of this leaf will change to brown once after boiling. Sieve, remove this water, press out the juice and leave this, throw away this while you keep the juice. Store the juice and dilute 10 liters of drinking water. And serve it to your poultry birds 2 to 3 days as a preventive measure. For sick birds, give daily 5 to 7 days consistently. And it can be also used from chicks from 5 days old upward. That means during brooding, you can still give it to them from 5 days upward. It's good for them also. And it gives you maximum results. You can still add 1 spoon of garlic to this particular juice, and this will change the narrative of the particular juice, and it can now take care of a lot of infections also, like bacteria, serious bacterial attack. You can take it. You can combine it with garlic and neem, or you can also combine it with the pawpaw juice. I think I will develop a different video for that. Don't worry, I'm going to develop a different video for this. Now, administer this to your poultry birds and see amazing results within a short period of time. Using jute leaf tea in your poultry farm is one of the smartest and most affordable steps to take care of your birds. Take care of the poultry immunity boosting, fight infections naturally, cut down vet drugs and costs of medications, grow your broilers faster with less stress, protect your flocks and everything concerning them within a short period of time, maximize your profit. So instead of buying expensive synthetic drugs every week, nature has given you this free. This is free. It is a grass that grows around the environment. Most of the times, in unwanted areas, you see them growing well, and they grow and nourishes themselves as if you fertilize them. So nature has given you this already. Why not make use of this powerful solution? So next time, instead of buying synthetic medications, don't be tempted to buy synthetic. Rush and pluck this leaf, boil some of it instead of synthetic. After boiling, prepare it the way I've told you here. Administer to your poultry birds and see the amazing results you're going to get. The weight of your poultry birds will amaze you, in fact. Thank you for watching this video. If this particular video interests you, give it a thumb up right away and drop your comment. If you have any question regarding this topic, drop it in the comment section, and at the same time share the video to reach more poultry farmers. Share it in their platform or your social media handles so that you can get this anytime you need it. You go back to social media handles, scroll down, you see the particular video you need, and you watch it again and still get amazing results. Thank you for watching till the next video is uploaded. Thank you. Bye for now.